Imagine taking a dip in a body of water that naturally glows around you. This is exactly what happens at Glistening Water's Luminous Lagoon located in the northwest side of the island in Falmouth, Trelawney. The Luminous Lagoon is home to microscopic organisms that emit bioluminescent lights when agitated. This is a rare phenomenon that occurs only 4 places in the world, and Jamaica's Luminous Lagoon is said to be the brightest and the largest, which of course fascinates scientists and travelers alike. Stick around as we learn more about this rare site, and we'll even get a tour of the Glistening Waters hotel rooms that are on site. Let's experience and let's learn together. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Welcome to Glistening Waters, the home of the Luminous Lagoon. Mr. Bernard is here.
Hello, Mr. Bernard.
And welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm Rosalind.
Hi, Rachel.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So you're gonna show us around?
Oh, sure.
All right.
You can come this way. Okay, this is our waiting area. You'll be served with a complimentary rum punch or fruit punch while you wait for your tour.
Okay.
And as soon as it gets a little bit darker, maybe realize that 5 minutes from now, we'll be ready to go.
Okay.
Okay. So in the meantime, you can have a seat. We'll take somebody down to serve your rum punch.
Okay.
And then we call you as soon as the boat is ready, okay?
All right. Thank you. Looking forward to it. So we just got some complimentary rum punch. That I'm
a lot of spirit in it.
Shanko Mananko. I'm about to head on the boat now because the boat is ready, but the outside, the water looks so, I don't know, but it just looks so good. What should we expect at the Glistening Waters? The water to glisten?
The water to illuminate.
Yeah.
And you'll have a captain over there, who will explain everything to you.
All right. All right, so let's go, let's go, let's go. Heading onto the boat right now, and we're gonna go out on the water and see what it looks like. I'm so excited. It's an understatement. Look, guys. Thank you. The channel is called Rosalind, so feel free to check it out.
Welcome to the real Glistening Waters. My name is Duke. Over here we got paparazzi as well. Now in the meantime going out, you're going to pay attention straight behind the boat or over on the side, you're going to start seeing the water glowing. No, taking photographs, you got to take it without your flash. That's what paparazzi are here for. For those camera cannot get it, he always does. And as soon as I get out a little more, I'm gonna stop and explain what's happened in and around this lagoon to you guys. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. Okay, guys, I want you to listen up. Now, straight behind the boat over there to my right, where you see all those lights, that's the town of Falmouth. Over that side, we have the entrance of the ocean, which is salt water. Straight inland to my left, where you see those lights on top of the hill over there, just below there, we also have the entrance of the Matabry River, which is fresh water. Inside here, the water is brackish. It's not too salty and it's not too fresh. Inside here on the bottom, we have no coral reef, no seaweed, no sand. Reason being, whenever we have heavy rainfall inland, all the soil that washes off the land come down the Matabry River and settle on the bottom of this bay. As air goes by, it keeps on building up, so it makes a layer of gel, which we call a silt, or locally we say mud.
No! Oh! Ooh, nice.
All right.
Look, so the water glows, but I don't know if you are able to see it. Guys, oh look, so it is glowing over there. This is what's called the Luminous Water Tour, the glistening water, because the water glistens. That's it over there. So we're literally on the boat, but it's very dark. So that is it. Look guys, so we're on the lagoon, and as you can see, it glows. Look over on that side, you see the blue glow.
Now inside here we have some living microorganisms which we call phosphorus locally. The scientific term for these organisms are called dinofragilite. Probably you guys might be familiar with the terms bioluminous or phosphorescent. Whenever these organisms being disturbed or irritated, tends to give off a glow of a light similar to a firefly. Accidentally one of you guys should drop overboard, no problem finding you. All you need to do is keep on moving and start it to glow just like an angel.
Really?
Yep. Scientists also said this water is like a mineral to the body whenever you go swimming. For the kids, they grow taller and get smarter. For the ladies, it makes you look 10 years younger. And also an extra inch and a half on the upper chest. Now for the guys, I don't want you to feel left out. You also gain, you gain an extra 3 inches.
Oh my, jump overboard guys, jump overboard.
And for my non-believers, I always keep my tape measure on board so you can before the after. I have a ladder over here. I put on the side, you enter the water from the ladder. Same procedure getting back on board. Now, please I'm asking if you should step in the silt, coming up the ladder, just shake your feet off in the water, come on very easily. Inside here we have no sharks, no barracudas, no piranhas, no leeches, no alligators, no crocodile, nothing dangerous. Do we have anybody going swimming tonight?
No, that's going to cover my head.
Okay.
When I believe it will
I'm gonna get some of the water for you guys, and you can just dip your hand in.
Ooh, it's glue.
It can last like that for 5 days. So there's a little trick into it. You go back up here and take it to the room with no air conditioner. You got to leave it on the balcony, and in the daytime put it out in the sun, and it energizes.
Ooh, look at that. It's the glow for me, baby. Persons that are swimming in the water all the way over there, we can't see them because it's dark. But they're in the water because right here is about 3 to 4 feet deep, so it's not very deep, it's pretty shallow. So persons over there swimming, look, I wish you could see them but we can't. But this is just so absolutely beautiful, like seeing all the lights in the distance and just being on the water. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Do that again. Hey, one more time. Do it again. Nice. That is very nice. There's a lot of persons out, man. Look, there's another boat. There's another boat passing over there. Sorry. There's another boat passing by over there. I don't even know if you can see them in the distance. And then there's one over there too. So the water is quite busy.
Okay guys, this thing to my right over here, where in the water right here. That's an old sugar barge.
So that's the old barge.
As you can see now, we are coming back towards the closing of the tour. Hope you guys do enjoyed it.
Of course.
If you do enjoy it, just tell friends and
Thank
family
you.
about it. But if you don't, zip it and leave it right here.
Nice.
Also, hope you guys are safe traveling wherever you're going. May God protect you guys on the road and take you back safely.
It was amazing. Alright guys, so I just finished the tour of the Luminous Lagoon and it was absolutely amazing. We're able to see the water glowing. I was able to put my hand in the water. I was able to stir my hand in a bucket, and I saw all the lights. It was really, really good, you know. Thank you so much for accommodating us today.
You are most welcome.
Thank you, thank you. So what else does this place, first of all, what's the name of the place? Give me the...
The name is Glistening Waters, and this is home of the world famous Luminous Lagoon.
Okay, and you are Mr.?
My name is Earl Bernard.
Yes. And your title, your role here at Luminous is?
Owner and operator.
All right, thank you. So tell me now, what else do you offer besides the tour and the Blue Lagoon?
Besides the tour, we have a restaurant here, and we do like weddings and bottom fishing, as we do with our boats. The same boat that we use for the Luminous Lagoon, we can also do bottom fishing with those
When you
boats.
say bottom fishing, what do you mean?
You go out and you throw with your line just like regular, but you go out on the water to do it.
Oh, okay, so this is a fishing area. You're
Yes,
allowed to fish?
Yes, you're allowed to fish. Yes.
Oh, okay.
We also operate a hotel here, which we're going to take you to that a little from now. We take you to the hotel. Yes.
I'm looking forward to that.
Okay, and I'll show you what the rooms is like. Everything. Yes.
Okay, so since COVID, how's business since COVID?
Well, business is way down right now.
Yeah, definitely affected.
We still get a lot of local people coming and to you for the hotel, and we also have people that come over to do the tour just the same. But it's not like it used to be.
Not like the traction, the traffic, the cruise is down, so it's a lot different. But you're still in operation.
It's still in operation.
Observing the protocols, of course.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, well that's good. Where are you located?
We're located in Falmouth. We call this area here Rock.
What's it called?
Rock.
The Rock?
Rock District. That's
Rock District in Falmouth, Jamaica.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have all our signs on the road. Where, you know, once you're coming in, you can just follow the sign and get here. Yes.
All right, sounds good. So definitely check them out, guys. So let's head over to the hotel now.
Okay.
Let's see what the rooms look like.
Alrighty.
So basically, you are able to come, do the tour, and then sleep over if you choose.
We also have Knutsford stop right here on
The
property.
Knutsford Express bus
Yes.
is here.
On
Okay.
property. So you can take your tour from Kingston, from the grill, wherever. You can come over, you can stop over the night, see the Luminous Lagoon, have dinner, party with us, and you're on your way the next day.
Okay, that sounds like an all-inclusive service. I
Yes,
like that.
Yes, all right, we must walk up here.
Oh, this way?
We have a long walkway here.
Okay.
All covered. We have a car here that we use to pick up our guests. If we have two persons, you can use the car. If not, we have different size buses down here that we use.
You see how many gems I'm sharing with you guys? Please check the description bar for the contact details and definitely check them out if you're ever in Falmouth, Jamaica. Alright, so let's continue.
Okay, so bathroom in here.
Okay,
What it looks like.
the bathroom is very orange.
Yeah, this is the PNP bathroom.
Definitely feels like it.
Yes, that's their color. And this is the room in here.
This is the room. Okay.
That the room looks like. And each room comes with a balcony.
Okay, so there's a balcony
There's a
here.
balcony on each room.
So how much does a room like this cost?
A room like this will cost $14,500 with your local ID. And if you don't have a local ID, it can cost $17,500. And that including a breakfast in the mornings.
Okay, and in US dollars, how much is that?
It's $112 local
Per night?
per night. And it will be 136 a kid.
136.
Without
So between 112 and 136
Yes.
per night.
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty.
Then come on in.
This is the green one.
Then come on in. See it?
So then this one is the green bathroom.
It's the green room.
You weren't joking when you say you had an orange and you had a green. Okay.
That's a joke. That can be a joke.
And like you know, the balcony is
Yeah,
same. Yes.
the same thing. Okay.
I'm gonna take you down to the honeymoon suites if I can find the key on here.
Okay, so this is a blue bathroom.
The blue room. Food. Coconut tree.
The bed of coconut trees.
Nuts are gonna drop, man. Nuts are gonna drop.
These nuts. Okay.
Yeah, so have you.
Interesting. Okay, so then it has a bar area over there. So
have a bar here. That when everything is in operation, running, we have a pool bar here that we open.
okay.
After hours. After the restaurant is closed, we open the pool bar.
Alright, and lots of things going in the pool after hours, huh? Alright, Mr. Bernard, well, I want to say thank you so much for being on the FAMIELIN channel. Thank you for taking us around and showing us what you have to offer, and thanks for the tour. I really, really appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome every time.
Alright, and I'm going to say to you, family, remember the details are in the description bar below. If you're ever in Falmouth, definitely come and check out this place. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at FAMIELIN on Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!